Hey everyone, this is Wicked Cushions and today I'm going to teach you how to replace your HyperX Cloud 2 earpads. The same process I'm about to show applies to several other HyperX headphone models that are going to be listed on the screen right now. Now let's get on to it. The first step is to remove the old earpads. You are simply going to hold the earpad with 2 fingers from within as I show and pull it gently out of its socket. The way that these earpads stay in place is by inserting the lip of the backside of the earpad into a small narrow gap that goes around the headphone ear cup. Just a heads up, I know it looks easier than it is in the video. It is because I've been practicing this for a while. Just be patient, this is not the easiest process, but you should be done within 10 to 15 minutes if you follow this guide. For this video, I'm going to be using our universal gaming earpads. One thing right off the bat you notice is that our cushion is much larger than the original HyperX one. By making it thicker and expanding the inner opening, we were able to make these HyperX Cloud 2 comfortable for extremely long gaming sessions. To insert the earpad, hold it comfortably as I show and start at the top by gently inserting a small piece of the backside lip into the gap. Once it is in, hold that piece with your other finger and then stretch out the rest of the backside lip around the cup. Now don't be afraid to stretch out this earpad as it was made to withstand this kind of use. Once part of the backside lip is already in, the rest will follow as you keep stretching the cushion to fit into the gap. After you are done, go around the cushion and check that everything is inside the gap. Play around with it for a couple of seconds just to make sure that the cushion is securely in place. Now move on to the other earpad. Now repeat the same process. Just remember to start at the top, insert a part of the backside lip into the gap, and then stretch out the rest as it will follow into its place. That is it! You have successfully replaced your HyperX Cloud 2 earpads. I hope that this video was helpful. If you have any questions or concerns, do not hesitate to contact us by email or by replying in the comment section below. Please subscribe to our channel and get updated with new how-to videos that come out every month.